So you guys come here to the three dots. These are the three dots in the Chrome browser, and you choose Settings. Now let's go back and select Settings. And from the settings, we choose Privacy and Security. There's no problem at all. And then we go to Site Settings. Here I have the permissions, and we select the microphone. So I have the default class. Its shape is BB Collab. Here it says we choose if we want mic or camera, and set permissions to allow or block. Keep mic to allow. Set camera to allow too. Allowed mic, everything seems fine, but mic isn't working. What to do? Check if it's laptop's built-in or external mic. If external, connect and use it. What should I leave the microphone in? Basem, can the camera be here? What should I leave it in? Leave it in operation? Yes, I have no problem with that. What is this about? This is about the microphone part. This is about the microphone part. Well, I did all this. And I allowed the microphone, and everything is fine, but the microphone is still not working. The microphone is not working. What to do? You should check the microphone itself, whether it's built-in or external. If external, connect and use it. Ensure the microphone works. To check if it works, go to WhatsApp web. Open WhatsApp on your laptop. Open it on the lecture laptop. Send a voice message to a colleague. Check if the message has sound. So you need to check if this microphone is actually working or not. Now, some might ask, how do I check if my microphone is working? What should I do? You guys should go to something called WhatsApp. Here's the link for WhatsApp, which you can open on your laptop. Open WhatsApp on the laptop that you're using for the lecture, okay? Send a voice message to any colleague. After sending, open it to check if it has sound. If not, there's a microphone issue. Test the microphone with WhatsApp too. If messages have no sound, confirm the issue. Alternatively, use Google's search by voice. Say a word like e-learning. If it picks up the word and the sound indicator works, the microphone is fine. If not, there's a problem. Google should respond to the voice search with results. If it doesn't, and the sound indicator doesn't move, there's an issue. Open Google, for example, okay? You'll find a tool here called Search by Voice that lets you do a voice search. Just press it and say any word, like e-learning, for instance. You'll notice that it picks up the word e-learning as long as I'm talking, and the sound indicator is working. Then I can click on the page. It gave me the search results for the word I was typing. Thus, the sound is working, and Google responded to the voice search. Clearly, the microphone is working. If it fails, and no results or indicator movement is seen, there's a microphone issue. Movement shows the mic is on. No movement means a problem. This often causes support issues. Have an external mic, not just the laptops. If the laptop mic fails, connect the external one. Now on the left side here, the movement indicates that the microphone is on, so if there's no movement, then the microphone has a problem. We often get technical support issues on this. It's best for you to also have an external microphone, not just rely on the laptop's built-in microphone. So you should also have an external microphone. So if there's an issue with the laptop's microphone, you can connect the external one and use it smoothly. This is regarding the microphone part that you see here. Now on the left side here, so it's not just about relying on the laptop's built-in microphone. You should also have an external microphone with you, just in case there's an issue with the laptop's microphone. You can connect the external microphone and use it without any problems. This is regarding the microphone part that you see here. Now, on the left side here, were you guys not seeing the screen, or did it cut off for you? I was explaining and you didn't stop me. I was trying to clarify and you didn't stop me. So let me quickly explain it to you again. Okay. Did the screen cut out while I was talking to you about the microphone part and the settings I was explaining? All right. Let me clarify that part for you again. Here. I said this is the microphone. Okay, this is what the microphone looks like. See? What does this shape look like? What does a microphone look like? If you have a problem with the microphone, you can come to this lock here. All right? You can come to this lock, unlock it while you're in the middle of the lecture, while you're in the virtual classroom. What is a virtual classroom? This is the link. Open with students. What do you open? Open this section and make sure that the microphone is in active mode. This is the active mode. You see the camera. The camera is not active. It takes this form, but the microphone is activated. The process of allowing the use of the microphone is activated. Take the blue color that you see for this section, the second section. As I mentioned to you a little while ago, when the microphone isn't working, we need to check the browser settings. So, what browser are we using right now? I'm using Chrome. All right. I need to go into the settings from the bottom through these three dots. Have to enter through these three dots. And here we are going to the settings. I need to go to the settings, select the settings here, and then choose privacy and security. All right. I select privacy and security. And from privacy and security, I choose something called website settings. Through website settings, we can control the camera and the microphone. We select website settings. And when we select it, we'll come to something called permissions. From the permissions, what to allow. I need the microphone and the camera. I don't need the camera. I mainly need the microphone. So I come here to the microphone, unlock it, and then you'll see what I want to use with the microphone. This shapes the virtual classroom. If I want to use the microphone with the virtual classroom, I need to click on this icon. Then I'll get options left of microphone. What are the options? This is my microphone. I can allow or block it. If I'm in the block mode, select allow. I choose the option allow. This is regarding this part. So when I choose allow, then to use the microphone in the virtual classroom, click this icon. Options will appear next to microphone, allow or block. If blocked, select allow to activate the microphone. If it still doesn't work, check other settings. A set of options will appear on the left of the word microphone. This is my microphone. I can allow or block it. If blocked, select allow. I choose the option allow. So when I choose allow, it means then activate my microphone. My microphone will work fine. But if my microphone still isn't working, then we need to use an external microphone. Get an external microphone because the built-in one might be faulty. The laptop's microphone might have issues. So get an external microphone. Before buying, check the built-in microphone isn't working. So I will turn on my microphone. I will turn on my microphone and there's no problem at all. But I did all these things and the microphone is still not working. My microphone isn't working. What should I do? So we need to use an external microphone. We should make sure to get an external microphone because it could be that my built-in microphone is the one with the problem. It could be that my laptop's microphone is the one that's having issues. So I should get an external microphone. But before I buy the external microphone, I need to check that the built-in microphone on my laptop isn't working first. How do I check? I open WhatsApp. As you can see, I open WhatsApp web from my laptop, which I'm using to present the virtual class or lecture. I open my WhatsApp and send a voice message just like I do on my phone. But what? I do this from my laptop and send a voice message to a colleague and see if it really... Did the voice message come through? Is the sound really coming through or not? Because sometimes the voice message can come without sound. So, if the voice message arrived without sound, then the laptop's microphone is definitely broken. What should we do? We really need to buy an external microphone and connect it to our laptop. This is regarding the microphone issue.